Someone might be spying on your SIM. To stop it before it's too late, open up your settings, scroll down, go with apps, scroll down again, tap on phone, scroll down, and tap on call forwarding. If you find it on or linked to a number that's not yours, then turn it off immediately and delete the number. Also, from the phone app, try these codes. They work in most certain carriers. *#21#. Go with dial. If it shows not forwarded, then you're fine. After that, go with *#67#. After that, go with #002. You should get a message saying the cancellation succeeded. If the codes doesn't work or you see a strange message, contact your carrier's customer service and ask them to cancel any unauthorized call forwarding on your line. The second step is text message forwarding or Apple ID linked devices. Messages on Apple can be sent to multiple devices under the same account. If there's a device that's not yours with permission, it can see your messages. You can check like this. Open up your settings, scroll down, go with apps. From apps, you need to scroll down and go with messages. Once you tap on it, you'll get this kind of interface. Scroll down, go and select send and receive. Make sure that under you can receive iMessages to and from only your phone number and your email. If you find a strange email or number, tap it to remove it or sign out of your Apple ID. Also, just simply go back, go with your settings again, and here you need to scroll down, go with general, go with iPhone storage, tap on your iCloud name, which will be in the top, and then tap on iCloud right here. Now here you need to go with messages. Turn the option off if you don't want messages to sync with any other device on the account. Next thing you need to do is open up your settings and then scroll down a bit, and you need to go with mobile or cellular option. You might find SIM applications. If the menu shows strange names or codes like incomprehensible codes, words like remote or configure or forward or spy, then don't open them. Take a screenshot and contact customer service. Tell them they are unexplained items showing in your SIM menu and ask them to verify your line is secure. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.